once you download the old dependencies, your project will be like this. It has a main and test packages, and now we can insert our application properties file. So I have already the properties, so I'm pasting those. So in the internet you can find that properties. We have to define our database name. Those are by default URL from the H2 database. So this is the MyDB, DB. This is the driver class to connect to the H2 database. This is my username and password, and this is a very important part. This is enabling the H2 console. If you make it false, we cannot see the data, or we cannot access that H2 console. I will later show you how to go to the H2 console and what is the context of the database console. So that's it for here. So, and we have to another thing, we have to configure the database structure in the data SQL and schema SQL. Those are the names for naming convention for H2 database. For that we have to create another two files called data QL and schema.sql inside the resources. So here in the schema we can write our database structure, create schema this is my database name, and you have to create a table structure. Create table if not exist student. And I use some few columns there. ID, this is my primary key. I'm doing auto increment there. Name, age, country. It's also watch 50. And if we are inserting something to the database, we can use data SQL. If we are not going to insert by default when it is starting, we don't have to use this one. I will show how to insert something when the application starts. Name, age, country. Values, Okay, now we can run the application. Once run the application, we can access to the console. So I will show how to access the console. We have to yeah, we have some exception.